Hey guys, what's going on? Sir Scratch Smoke back here with two of the $5 trucks and bucks. I got tickets number 5 and 6. And the odds on this ticket are 1 in 3.67. And this is the 5th and final video for the 350 sub special. And we'll start this off with ticket number 5. Top prize is $50,000 cash or 2016 truck. Let's see, the winning numbers are 12, 27, 2, and 6. 7, 8, 25, 13, 43, 22, 39, 23, 32, 3, 11, 10, 36, 14, and 6. On the very last spot, we got a winner. All right. On to ticket number 6, we'll come back to ticket number 5. The winning numbers, 35, 29, 8, and 31. My numbers are 1, 9, 32, 39, 14, 10, 24, 34, 36, 21, 3, 15, 7, 17, and 4. Alright, ticket number 6 is a loser. On back to ticket number 6, or ticket number 5 for that number 6 right here. Let's see what we get. $5. Another break even. We'll take it. Alright, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking around. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Like, subscribe, leave some comments. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see anything different, click the little donate button right there if you guys want to donate. You guys don't have to, but it's greatly appreciated. It goes towards more giveaways. There's another one coming up for the 400 sub special. So yeah, we'll see you guys later.